Welcome to the AEMTEK training video series. AEMTEK Inc. is an accredited independent laboratory engaged in food, water, and environmental testing. Located in the San Francisco Bay Area, we are a proud provider of analytical solutions, consultations, research, and training services to the food and beverage manufacturing industries. This video will demonstrate how to use AEMTEK sampling kit to perform environmental surface sampling for the SARS-CoV-2 test. The sampling kit comes with detailed sampling instructions, so please take time to familiarize yourself with them. You'll need a swab, a vial, an absorbent pouch for the vial, a pair of nitrile gloves, an alcohol pad, and a plastic bag. These materials are included in the sampling kit by AEMTEK. You may also need additional materials, including PPE, such as safety goggles, spray sanitizer or disinfectant wipes, large plastic Ziploc type bags, an insulated cooler box with ice packs, a trash bag, and a carrying container. Be sure to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water, then spray them with sanitizer after drying. Disposable gloves should be used when handling any sampling materials. Make a sampling plan and identify sampling locations. Here are some sampling surfaces that you may consider. Pre-fill the sampling part of the chain of custody form and then record the sampling ID and locations as you perform sampling to match each of the samples taken. Each sample should be uniquely identified. Put on the gloves and apply spray sanitizer. Hold the vial firmly and open the cap without touching the interior. Remove the swab from its package, making sure to avoid touching the Q-tip of the swab. Dip the swab in the vial to moisten the tip with the viral transport medium. When sampling, apply medium pressure and rotate the swab as you move across the surface. We recommend swabbing a 4-inch by 4-inch square area on flat surfaces. For smaller surfaces such as pens, mouses, door handles, light switches, or keyboards, cover as much surface area as possible. Make sure to only use one swab per contact surface. After you finish swabbing, insert the swab into the vial and break off the Q-tip at the breakpoint on the handle. Close the cap securely to prevent leakage, and disinfect the outside of the vial with the alcohol pad provided. Label the vial with the ID, date, location, and description. Then double check if the labeling on the vial matches the COC form. Place the vial into the absorbent pouch and place both inside the plastic kit bag. Discard gloves before moving on to the next sampling location. A control sample should always be submitted for each sampling event and handled in the same way as the swab samples, but without sampling. When sampling is completed, all swabs need to be placed into a secondary resealable Ziploc bag for shipping. Make sure to sanitize the outside of the sampling bags before putting into the Ziploc bag, and do not overpack. Also, put the completed COC form with the sampling bags. Keep the Ziploc bag inside a cooler box with ice packs. Do not use dry ice. Clearly mark the outside of the shipping box with molecular lab only. Ship the samples, preferably on the same day of collection, but no later than 24 hours after sampling, to the following address. Please note that damaged samples will not be processed. Thank you for watching this video about sampling environmental surfaces for COVID-19 virus testing. Please contact us at lab@aemtek.com or at 510-979-1979. For more information about AEMTEK and our services, visit www.aemtek.com.